Is it double jeopardy to have the state case and the federal case? And by the way, it's very interesting, right? Because in the federal case, the murder charge was dropped. In the state case, one of the murder charges were dropped. The federal case is just stalking charges. Is this double jeopardy?
Well, yeah, I think they've got a point. I think what is happening here, there is a statute. We used to have that in California, and it's been since abrogated, where if you go first on the federal case, and there is a binding resolution there, that you cannot go on the same object or objects of that in the state case. That's why I think you're getting this leapfrog. Remember, just last week or the week before, the feds set this date in September for trial. The defense team was, I don't want to say ecstatic, but they were very pleased. And then they walk into state court today, and all of a sudden the state's saying, no, 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 no. We don't want to be foreclosed by the feds. Right. We're going to go first. Get on your mark, get set, go in June. That's ridiculous, by the way. As a defense lawyer, the idea of a murder case going in less than 120 days, unheard of, and it's gamesmanship.
And look, I mean, it is interesting because their argument would be it's different charges. Yes, it's the same circumstances, two different sovereigns, right? That's why there might be an exception there. I just have to ask you about his outburst. Does that hurt the defense team in a way? Jury selection, view of the case, does it hurt when his client does that?
Well, I will tell you something. You know, my father, who was my hero, who I talk about all the time, he used to shake his head. He never understood why defendants or our clients would go so docilely and kind of silently into the night. He says, if I'm the defendant, I'm going to be screaming bloody murder the whole time. And so I get it. I understand it. And by the way, he's not wrong. 1 + 1. You can say it's different here or we're charging here. It's one act that he's being charged with. One act and one act only. So the idea that you've got two jurisdictions coming after him, and by the way, you have the person who is charged with the Charlie Kirk murder. You don't see the feds coming in there. And the reason you don't see the feds coming in there is because Utah has got a robust death penalty. So you should have, you know, what we used to call the goosey gander rule. You shouldn't be able to pick and choose.
Right. I hear you. I hear you. The argument will be two separate sets of charges. Conversation for another day. Mark Geragos, thank you. Good seeing you. Appreciate it.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.